Okay, in today's video, we're going to take another look at Tesla. I know I did a video for you guys in April because we started by talking about the fact that we had some, time symmetry on the weekly chart. And basically all that means is that I saw swings that were similar in time. Like we had a 16-week move down, 15 weeks, 15, 17, 16, and we had basically a similar swing because we did see 15 weeks down, and then after that we did start seeing some buy triggers, right? Now, the next decision, we're at an important area, and the question is to fail or not to fail. Now, personally, I'd rather see us push through this resistance and head towards bigger picture target number one, which is up here. But, with the markets all around being extended, I don't know if that's going to happen right away, but I do know that we're at time and price resistance right now. So if you look at it this way, you can see that this low to high swing is very similar to this low to high swing. Actually, what I need to do is take this low out so you can see the similarities here. Okay, we're going to take that off. We're just going to do that low to the high. Okay, and then we have this low to that high. Okay, so you can see that this low to high swing was 116.05, and this low to high swing is 116.16, which is very similar. It's not exactly equal, but it's symmetry, similarity or equality when comparing swings in the same direction. Plus, you do have, like this parallel line resistance that may kick in. But you do have the symmetry that came in at 453.29, and then above that we have the 786 plus a 1618 extension at 464.25 to 465.29. So this is where we would typically ratchet up stops. But let's go back to why we were looking at this, after we had the 513 EMA crossover to the upside. Okay, because you can see that before, we had the 513 in a sell mode for months and months, right? When we finally had the crossover, and then it was followed with a pullback, okay? We looked at it, and then we also saw the 513 cross back to the upside again, and now we actually have all of the averages on the side of the bulls. So could we just continue higher? Absolutely, but should you be aware of this resistance and protect yourself just in case we don't push through that area? Yes, because we have the price resistance, and then you have the timing histogram resistance that I'm showing at the 13th through the 15th at this point. So I would be ratcheting up stops, and if we do get a pullback, I'm going to set up the buy side again because we're now looking at higher highs and higher lows, and we all have the averages still in a good place for the bulls. Hope that helps.